New satellite images confirms loss of 2 Russian MiG-31 interceptors Su-27 and MiG-29 fighter aircrafts at Belbek airfield following recent Ukrainian strikes. Additionally, an S-400 air defense system, including its radar, was completely destroyed. The Eurodrone program has completed its preliminary design review process. The process included wind tunnel testing to confirm the aerodynamic configuration. The drone's first flight was originally expected in 2025, and initial deliveries in 2028. The German Air Force new Heron TP drone has taken its maiden flight in Germany, bringing it step closer to finally achieve full operational capability. With endurance of 30 hours and range of up to 1,000 kilometers, it has maximum speed of 407 kilometers per hour. French Army tests integration of automatic grenade launcher on its multi-role armored vehicle Griffon and Serval. As part of its Scorpion program, these vehicles are equipped with remotely operated turret that can accommodate either a 12.7mm or 7.62mm machine gun or a 40mm automatic grenade launcher.